At any time, if you want to learn more about this guide, click on the link in the description to the right. This is a guide to getting your ex back, which is available for online download. It takes you through step by step on how to contact your ex to get their attention, and then on how to turn that attention into a deep desire. If you follow the methods precisely, then you can actually have your ex begging to have you back. Well, how does it work? The techniques in this guide could actually be called mind control because of the way you will make your ex need you. They won't really even be able to resist no matter how much they want to, because you will be pushing their buttons in just the right way. People like to think that they are unique, but really people are pretty similar, and this guide uses those similarities in human nature to your advantage. If you want to learn more about Pull Your Ex Back, then click on the link in the description. Among the pros of Pull Your Ex Back is that it works. If you really need your ex back, then you will get what you need by using this guide. It's available for instant download online, so you can get started with it right now. And it's 100% guaranteed with a 60-day refund period, so there's absolutely no risk in trying it out. Remember, click on the link in the description to learn more.